Hello, my name is Shayanto Shengupto, and you are watching Corporate Cricket Diaries, which is powered by Capital Group. Corporate Cricket Diaries is an interview series where we interview not just administrators from this world of corporate cricket, but people who are also interested in this lovely sport. So today we've got a very special guest in this very special series of ours. Today we have Mr. Kiran Sohani, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining in. Who is the associate Tata Consultancy Services? So thank you for coming in our show today, sir. So I'll just start off with a very good icebreaker, sir. Are you disappointed with IPL not happening or IPL cancelling? Getting
Uh, to be honest, keeping in mind the COVID-19 pandemic, I would say this is a good move from BCCI, considering the health of all the players, because much more important matches are going to happen later on, like T20 World Cup and Test Championship. So I'm not that disappointed, to be honest.
Yes, so more than entertainment and any game, I think I relay with you that health is more important than any other parameter.
Yes, that's what in today's Times of India, Lakshman has mentioned. Players are vital than IPL, so that
Absolutely.
says everything.
Yes, I completely agree with you, sir. Absolutely. So thank you for the insight, sir. So let's quickly hop on to the interview today. We'll be asking you a couple of questions from the world of corporate cricket. So firstly, sir, you've been associated with the Tata Consultancy Services, which is the humongous company in India. So my first
Yep.
question to you is, sir, like this is going to be a little intellectual question, and I'm pretty sure this is going to relate to a lot of previous years too. So the question is, sir, what was the vision or reason behind actually investing so many resources in sports? I'm pretty sure it's going to date back to a lot of years. So what was the reason behind starting sports in TCS?
Basically, it's like employee engagement, we can say, because this
Right.
is a kind of having a team building activities can be done through the participating in the sports activities. Then you can meet many other people from the different fields that can enhance your knowledge also, and
Right.
you can get to attach with many people, you can make more friends. And basically when the sports are taken into consideration, normally all the corporates play sports on Saturdays and Sundays, so it's a kind of mind refreshing activity for them after spending 5 days working.
एब्सोल्युटली सर, मैं आपसे कंप्लीटली सहमत हूँ कि नेटवर्किंग काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होना चाहिए एक कंपनी में जब आप काम कर रहे हो, प्लस रिफ्रेशमेंट भी काफी इंपॉर्टेंट होना चाहिए बिकॉज आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि काफी वर्कलोड भी होता है ड्यूरिंग नॉर्मल डेज. तो सैटरडे संडेज व्हेन यू गाइस प्ले क्रिकेट, it's definitely an icebreaker for you guys, definitely a proper refreshing thing with you. So
And just to
yeah,
add what you mentioned, we do not play only cricket, but we have teams in carom,
right.
chess, table tennis, lawn tennis, as you can. And in fact, we had a team in basketball also and
Wow.
volleyball also. And it's all over India, not only in Mumbai branch.
So you guys dive deep into all kinds of sports, just आप लोग restrict नहीं करते हो क्रिकेट पे, काफी सारे sports
Exactly.
जैसे
Exactly.
बास्केटबॉल.
Right.
Exactly. So अगर हम लोग क्रिकेट की बात करें तो how many years have you guys been playing cricket? I'm pretty sure it's going to be a long time because TCS spanned out all over India, has been into the sports industry for a long time. So cricket sir approximately कितना सालों से आप लोग खेल रहे हो?
See, मैंने TCS ज्वाइन किया था 1997 and I
Yeah.
joined TCS cricket team late 1999 and early 2000. And उसके पहले भी TCS used to play cricket tournaments, but there were only couple of tournaments like Inter Tata and Time Shield cricket tournament. So as you can see, we are more than 20 years now in this cricket world.
Right. और 20 years is a very long time. I'm pretty sure आपने काफी कुछ सीखा होगा, प्लस आपके टीम मेंबर्स भी काफी कुछ सीखे होंगे. तो
Definitely, definitely.
राइट. यस सर. सर अगर हम लोग बात करें कि कॉर्पोरेट क्रिकेट इन टीसीएस, लाइक द टीसीएस कॉर्पोरेट क्रिकेट टीम, एंड आप लोग टाइम शील्ड भी काफी खेले हो, आप लोग टाइम शील्ड भी जीते हो, एंड यू गाइज आर कंसिडर्ड एज अ जगरनॉट इन द टाइम शील्ड फील्ड एंड इन द कॉर्पोरेट sector too. Like you guys have been compared to amazing companies, amazing cricket teams like BPCL, Indian Oil and all. So can you like take us through the hard work and the amount of dedication which your guys put in during this thing? So, what kind of hard work and what kind of resources and dedication you guys put in to actually make such a solid and formidable team?
Yeah. First of all, to complete such a long journey, you should first have the passionate about the game, and you should have the dedication, and you should be ready to show both the qualities. Then only you
Hmm.
can go such a long way. So fortunately, every year when we get a new player or new players, all of them are having these qualities. Apart from the cricketing skills, I believe that these qualities are utmost important to take forward the game. So since now 20 years, I have been associated with cricket team for last 20 years. और वहाँ पे मैंने देखा हुआ है और हम लोग ने भी फॉलो किया हुआ है कि to take a cricket as a discipline and not as just an entertainment activity. And once you have that in your mind to take that game as a serious, rest of the things follow you.
Absolutely, I completely agree with you, sir. That अगर passion किसी के पास नहीं है तो काफी they get derailed in the longer run, and I think so that is the bedrock of your team at TCS, and I'm pretty sure you follow that principle too. Because हम लोग देखे कि काफी cricketers जब वो passion जो अंदर का जो passion है when that gets bogged down, when that completely does not get reignited again, that is the time when the entire process collapses. So thank you for that valuable answer, sir. If we talk about the Inter Tata competition, I've been told that आप लोग 2013 में runners up थे. So could you like tell our viewers a little bit about it? Like how did you guys manage to become runners up? How did you actually fare in that tournament?
Yes, uh, for TCS, there are a couple of prestigious tournaments like at times Cricket Shield tournament, and one is the Inter Tata, which
Hmm.
is the most valuable tournament for us. So once we form a team every year, we start preparing towards these two tournaments very early at the early stage, and then we filter our players accordingly. So अगर 2013 की बात करें, where we were the runners up also previously also, so we had made our team like that. We did a lots of practice. और इंटर टाटा की एक बात ये है, all matches happens in weekdays. So being very passionate towards the cricket, dedication, हर एक प्लेयर ने अपने अपने मैनेजर से प्रायर अप्रूवल लेते हैं, saying that either they will take leave or they will play match, come back to office, they will do the office work for 9 hours, what are the working hours for their shift. Then again tomorrow they will go play matches and then again they will join office. This is called passion, I would say, and the dedication towards the work, towards the
Right.
game, I would say. So we all make sure that ठीक है हम लोग क्रिकेट खेल रहे, TCS is supporting like anything to have this game played, but simultaneously we also look at that TCS का काम hamper नहीं होना चाहिए, client should not get suffer because we are playing, so client's work should not get suffer, TCS work should not get suffer. So we are keeping balance both work plus playing.
Absolutely, sir. You guys have been managing both the things, and I think काफी pressure भी उनके ऊपर थोड़ा रहता है कि आप लोग पहले तो ऑफिस का डेस्क जॉब you guys manage and simultaneously play cricket. Sir, I would like to ask you a little bit over here कि थोड़ा वर्कलोड ज्यादा नहीं हो जाता, प्रेशर ज्यादा नहीं हो जाता कि आप क्रिकेट खेल के फिर आ रहे हो या फिर लीव्स ले रहे हो? I mean, how on from a player's perspective, workload and their mental capacity perspective, how do these
Definitely,
players manage
definitely
that?
mental pressure तो है, but कैसे होता है हमारा जब भी सिलेक्शन कंप्लीट होता है उसके बाद when we have team meetings, frequent team meetings, and in those team meetings we always keep on pressurizing players, please look at your physical fitness also, because everyone knows that 5 days they work in the office, then 2 days in cricket matches, that gives very less time to look at yourself and keep yourself fit. But I always impose on the players plus my colleagues like Amay Vanzari, Pritam Singh Matharu, and Amar Bhatt, who all and Mahesh Gangal, we five have contributed to teams so much and we have taken this so far. We always keep them and suggesting them, guide them to keep themselves healthy. So once you start exercising at least for 30 days in a day, then automatically your mental strength also gets stronger.
सर एक कहावत है कि जब आपका फिजिकल हेल्थ भी एंड मेंटल हेल्थ जो है both are interlinked. So if you're taking care of your physical health, then simultaneously mental health be it will get taken care of. So thank you for that answer, sir. Moving on to the next question, sir. You want to add something?
Just want to say something that
Yeah.
one good thing about our players is that what happens in a office, they leave it in office and they play
Oh
with
wow.
empty mind in cricket, and only cricket thoughts are there on the ground. Once they go back to the office, they leave the game on the ground and they only think about the office work. That's why they can give the justice to both, to office work plus game also.
Yeah. Interlink कभी होता नहीं है कि इनका काम और इनका काम it's never comes in between. So it's always two separate
No, no.
entities. Right.
Separate.
Yeah. Yes. So sir, we've heard a lot about Maitri groups and काफी workshops वो organize करते हैं. So I'm also not really sure about Maitri group. Plus our viewers also not really aware of it. If you could shed some light on Maitri, it would be great, sir.
Yes, Maitri is a group in TCS which is globally active. It's active globally, and it's basically engaging employee engagement activities. And Maitri supports the sports activities very nicely. Without Maitri's support, we wouldn't have been reached to this level. They organize, if it's a summer, then they organize some summer camps for the children of the TCS employees. Then they also organize family days. They also sponsor for the corporate tournaments for the football, table tennis, cricket, almost all sports. So Maitri is a really great group in the TCS, and they make sure that during the busy work schedule, the TCS employees will get some mental, relaxation. Their aim is meant to engage employees and relax them.
Right. So I think they are a torchbearer of mental health, and a huge shout out to Maitri Group for the amazing and the incredible job.
Definitely, a big applaud for them.
Absolutely. So now we've heard of a very unfortunate incident. कि आपका एक player जो Mr. Prasad, he's no more with us, late Mr. Prasad. So he was once the Time Shield का best player. So he was the best
in the F division. In F division.
Yeah,
he was in the F division.
उनके बाद एक award भी है. I've heard that there's an award which is based on him in commemoration. So, like, could you tell our viewers about the award and the player and what kind of a player he was?
Yes, Prasad Madnam was exceptional opener batsman. What TCS got in the entire, until now we have not seen in that kind of a player in our team. So in that particular year, उन्होंने more than 400 runs किए थे with 2 centuries and 2 half centuries, and he was the best player in F division in that particular year. And 2016 में unfortunately in one car accident we lost him, but still he is in our mind and heart. And after 2016, myself, Pritam, Amar, Santosh, Mayank, and Mahesh, what we thought that how we can keep him alive in this world. So everywhere क्या होता है? Once the cricket season is over, we all cricket players go for a picnic, outing kind of type. And in that picnic, we discuss lots of things, what goes wrong, what went wrong in our, why we could not win that trophy. If any trophy is won, then what we did well and on what things we can do better. So उस पिकनिक में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, एक बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द सीजन का अवार्ड भी देते हैं. So when we lost Prasad, we decided to give away a trophy every year to the best batsman in the name of Prasad, and we thought that इस तरह से हम लोग प्रसाद को अपने सर्कल में जीवित रख सकते हैं. So we are giving away trophy in name of Prasad for the best batsman.
Yeah. In dear memory of Mr. Prasad, आप लोग देते हो. So
yes, in the memory
my sincere condolences to the loss, but then I think you guys are doing a good job by keeping him reignited, because I think the soul never dies, in my opinion. It
Exactly.
leaves the mortal body. So pretty sure he's there in between you guys. He's there in your heart. So that's all. सर अगर हम लोग क्रिकेट प्लेयर्स की बात करें सो टीसीएस में काफी फॉर्मिडेबल प्लेयर्स है लॉट ऑफ स्टॉलवर्ट्स बट देन could you like name some of the players ki not necessarily popular but some players who you know that they are vital cogs in your team you know कि अगर ये बंदा जाके बैटिंग और बॉलिंग करे तो आपका टीम एकदम श्योर है जीतेगा so any like good players which comes to your mind in the TCS cricket team
Definitely, as I mentioned, Prasad, he was one of the best players. Then Amaya Vanjari, he initially used to lead the team, and he is the best keeper. And during the tournaments, many umpires have also, acknowledged his keeping. Then we have a good left-arm spinner, Amar Bhatt. These are from the previous batches, like from who used to play. Now from the new generation or a new team, I would say, Rishikesh Chavan, who is now captain of TCS team. Then Rajneesh Velekar. So there are a couple of names with whom we can, say that definitely if they play well, then definitely TCS is going to win.
अगर सर एक प्लेयर को चूज करना था कि आपका फेवरेट प्लेयर जो है जो कि एकदम विराट कोहली जैसा है टीसीएस में तो who would you choose?
I cannot choose that because every year we have because every year हमारा selection process होता है. It's a long process, I would say. If you allow, I can explain how that selection happens.
Yeah, sure. Like I would like to ask a follow-up question. Ki how do you guys like choose players? Do you guys get contracted players or do you guys actually have in-house employees only who play? Like, could you like throw some light on the selection process? Yeah.
Sure. So in TCS actually not in Mumbai, but in Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Delhi, everywhere we have TCS cricket team, and I look after TCS Mumbai team. So as far as if we say about the TCS Mumbai team, the selection process is like that. Generally, cricket season starts in the late October. So before that, around in the month of July, August, we with the help of Maitri, we send mail to every TCS from the Mumbai branch. So they register themselves, and we specifically ask what is their skill, whether it's a batsman, bowler, all-rounder. जैसे हमें फिर लिस्ट मिलती है हम लोग कोलेक्ट करते हैं देन वी हैव अ वर्ड विद ग्राउंड्समैन एंड देन वी बुक अ नेट्स एंड 3 वीकेंड्स के लिए हमारा सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस होता है बिकॉज एवरी ईयर वी गेट अराउंड 500 people to they show their interest for the cricket selection, so it's kind of a TCS mela on that days on the cricket ground. So
by all means
first, yes, and then हमारा क्रिकेट सिलेक्शन सुबह 7 बजे शुरू होता है दोपहर को 2 बजे खत्म होता है because of so much of a huge number. Then we call all employees in a batches.
Okay.
Unfortunately, any person cannot come into that batch, then we definitely adjust his batch in the next sessions. So likewise, once the first round is completed, we filter some guys from 500 to 300. We take them to the second round of the selection. From there, we filter it to 100. From there, we take them to the third round of selection. From there, then we filter it to around 30-35 people. That is the final round of selection. And after that, we have a practice match, which is the final round of selection, from which we then select almost 25 people. And please, I would like to say here that even if an existing player cannot perform in this all rounds of selection, he also gets eliminated.
Oh my God! So it's a very rigorous and a very strenuous process.
Exactly.
मतलब आप 500 प्लेयर से सिर्फ बॉयल डाउन कर रहे हो 25 प्लेयर में तो दाद देनी पड़ेगी आपकी सिलेक्टर्स को काफी उनकी मेहनत भी काफी है यहाँ पे. बट सर एक और चीज मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जो 25 जन जो सिलेक्ट होते हैं like do you guys offer jobs to them or like they only play cricket?
No, these players are already TCS employees. These players are already working on some or the other project in TCS. They are already on the TCS payroll. Yeah. We do not hire any outside.
So there are no contracted players from outside.
No.
Wonderful. Wow. So
yeah. So this is how we do this.
In-house भी 500 जन तो I mean cricket काफी popular होते जा रहे हैं सब में अभी. I mean in-house में there are 500 people coming. Then it's a huge.
Yeah, because because in Mumbai we have employee strength more than 20,000. तो उसमें अगर
20,000.
yes, अगर उसमें से हम लोग 20% यंगस्टर्स पकड़ेंगे तो दैट वुड बी अराउंड 4 to 5,000. तो उसमें से अगर 10% पकड़ेंगे तो 500 people will definitely come.
500 तो हो ही जाएगा सर. आपका भी काफी मेहनत है इसमें.
Definitely.
20,000 लोगों में से फिर 500 जन को चुनना, 500 जन से 25 जन को चुनना. I mean, hats off to you, sir. Hats off to your entire team.
Definitely.
Sir, about the team only, I would want to ask in general about administration. एक सवाल है सर मेरा कि आप फाइनेंशियल वर्टिकल को कैसे इन प्लेस रखते हो? I mean, इतना हमंगस एक टीम को करना.
हम लोग पूरे साल का बजट बना के मैत्री के पास देते हैं and then they allocate funds for this. So as I mentioned earlier also, Maitri is playing a phenomenal role in supporting all the sports, to be honest. Because हर एक मतलब मैत्री मेल सेंड करता है सभी TCS मुंबई एम्प्लॉइज को to register themselves for the cricket selections. So we always coordinate with the Maitri about the dates and about the venue, about the budgets and everything. So Maitri is doing phenomenal job, I would. And thanks a lot to Maitri.
Absolutely, and I think that TCS and Maitri they go hand in hand. And ये partnership की वजह से आप लोग का team भी इतना formidable है. Financial vertical में भी कोई headache वगैरह नहीं है. So yeah. So coming to the end of the interview, sir, I would like to ask you one personal question. कि इतना सालों से आप क्रिकेट से आपका लगाव है. You've been an ardent fan of cricket. So what are some of the key learnings and takeaways which you've had from this beautiful sport, sir?
Yes, first of all, मैंने dedication सीखा है because without dedication मैं यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचता. And whatever you do, not only cricket, you should be passionate about that. You should love that particular work what you are doing. Without passionate, without loving that work, you cannot go so long.
Right.
And then playing for so many years with the TCS, I learned how to make friends, not within the TCS cricket team, but outside world also. मेरे अभी काफी सारे friends हैं cricket के field से जो TCS नहीं है, but yes, we meet on the ground. Being opposition also, we still are good friends. Couple of umpires भी अच्छे friends हुए हैं. So, you know, I have learned so many things from team building is the most important point what we have learned from so many years, definitely. And that is also one of the aim why Maitri also supports sports activities because it teaches, I mean, sports activities tells you how you can build your team and what is a team building activities is all about.
Absolutely, sir. Some really valuable points which you raised today. Networking भी काफी important है, and dedication is important, passion is important. Everything has been a snowball, and this has helped you in your life. It's really nice to hear. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to Cricket Graph. Thank you so much for tuning into Corporate Cricket Diary. Yeah.
Sorry, one point I just wanted to, which I shouldn't have forgot. You asked about the best player, so I would. I missed one name, and his name is Pritham Singh Matharu. He is really a very good example for all generations. I mean, until now, whatever the teams we have formed, he is a very good example. I mean, he is a good batsman, he is a good bowler, he is a good fielder, and on the top of it, he is a good team player. Even though he has led the team, he never showed, you know, his superiority to newcomer also.
So, Preetham, if you're listening to this should be a morale booster for you. This should actually boost your confidence. And when you're getting praises from such a humongous personality like Sir. So, thank you so much, sir. We've come to the end of the interview. Thank you so much, sir. It's such a pleasure and honor to have you. I hope you had fun in the interview.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for your time. And I would like to say sorry to Prashant one more time. He was chasing me for almost a couple of months, but unfortunately, due to some personal, you know, commitments, I could not do. Apologies for that. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.